Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. Now exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be holding. Feel in your lungs and your belly. Imagine all the air goes straight to the belly and fill it in like a balloon. Good. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice the sensations of your breath as it flows in and out. Feel the weight of your body resting, supported by the surface beneath you. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a warm, gentle light radiating from your heart. This light represents the love you have within you. Imagine you see that beautiful pink light that is filling you from the inside out. You are surrounded by a beautiful pink light of love. Feel that love around you. Feel that love embracing you. Now repeat these affirmations to yourself, either silently or aloud. I am worthy of love and belonging. I am enough, just as I am. I am kind, compassionate, and forgiving towards myself. I am grateful for all that I am and all that I have. I love and accept myself unconditionally. With each affirmation, feel the warmth of the light in your heart expanding. Allow this love to flow through your entire being, filling you with a sense of peace and acceptance. Imagine yourself surrounded by a loving energy. This loving pink energy is always with you, supporting you and guiding you. You are safe, you are loved, and you are exactly where you need to be. Continue to breathe consciously, allowing yourself to be present in this moment. If your mind floats away, focus it back on your breath and focus it back on this pink light that surrounds you and embraces you. Bask in the feeling of self-love and acceptance. Now gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly, very slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of love with you throughout the day. Remember, you are worthy, you are loved, and you are enough.